Hey guys, what is going on here? Today we have got a brand new set. We have got Obsidian Flames. I'm still waiting on my booster boxes to come in. I pre-ordered them a long time ago, but I guess they're just arriving late. So today we're going to be opening up a booster box, but with the mini booster bundles. So we got 6 of them here. That'll be 36 packs, which will be a booster box. So let's go ahead and crack these open here. Pull rates on these seem to be pretty crazy, at least for the booster boxes. I guess we're going to find out how the booster bundles are. Here's we got left side and the right side. I think we need to pull that full art Charizard, if I say so myself. Oh, these got a lot of air in them. It would be nice to be able to complete a set pretty fast if it is as easy as people say it is. Houndoom, Togekiss, code card. I do have the Pokemon Center exclusive ETBs. I'll be opening up them when I get a regular one to do a comparison video. So probably look out for that in the next couple days. Charmander, Darmaku, and a Textricity. Expect at least 2 to 3 hits in these. Oh, I see gold. Looks like my first card pulled is going to be something pretty good. Togedemaru. Okay, so apparently it is super easy to pull. So my first card pulled for this set is going to be the one and only gold Charizard. That is awesome. That one is really clean too. Pretty nice, very nice. All right. Well, that was easy. Now let's see if we can get the alternate art Charizard. That is super cool. Okay. Hopefully it's easy to pull the rest of them. There are only 3 golds in this set, so there's a trainer and a fire energy as well. To go, code card. Well, so far in a booster box, you usually get 1 gold or a special art rare, so we're already set on course for that. Fungus, Town Sword. Ooh, boom, and a full art Pidgeotto, or Pidgeot. Very nice. 2 solid pulls. Heatmore. Wooper, Phantom. Ooh, and we got a Reveroom EX. All right, not bad. 3 pulls in that. It's pretty good if I say so. Right side so far seems pretty good. Come on. Set that aside for later. Start going through these a little quicker. Rockruff. Ooh, Cleffa. Oh, code card. Got the art rare of Cleffa. That's a pretty cool card. Draw 7 cards for the cost of nothing. Buffalot, Bonsley. Regular hollow. Probopass. Volcarona, Gita. Let's get rid of the code card and water right away. Time Pole, Audino. Ooh, and an Absol full art. Very nice. We are getting some good pulls. Snubble. Ooh, we got something in the back here. Let's see if we can get a Charizard. Houndour. Pawnard. Ooh, and just an Ice Cube. Alright, alright. Take it. Code card. That Umbreon is so sweet looking. EV Reverse, Greavard, and a Skizor. And our last box for the right side. Flamigo, Audino, and a Pidgeot EX. Very nice. We got a Mawile, Belly Bolt. Oh my god. And now we just got the Charizard full art. Very nice. Double Charizard. Which do you guys like better? Do you guys like the full art, the regular, or the gold one? Very nice. Alright. We are killing it right now. This is awesome. Camerupt, Cubchoo, and a Thundurus. Oh, code card. These boxes on the right side are killing it. I like that Lapras is just swimming, happy as can be. Mawile, Darkrai. Camerupt, Shuckle, and a Claydol. I actually really like the look of this holo. The Claydol looks pretty cool. We got an Altera, Lechonk, and a Geta. Alright, let's go to our left side of our imaginary booster box. We've already got 9 hits already. That's crazy. It might be better to get these than a booster box. This is pretty freaking good right now. Unless these ones just suck, but so far this is really good. Bunnelby, Oddish, and a Skizor. Pidgey, Charmander, Snubble, Magneton, and a Togekiss. Gonna need a hit out of this one. Audino, Diggersby. Ooh, we got the Umbreon in reverse. And another holo. Ooh, could this be our worst one yet? We've got a Stunfisk, Zigzagoon, and a Claydol. Maybe I spoke too soon about these booster bundles. Oh, the left side is letting us down. We got a Thunderous, Heatmore, and a Toxtricity. We might have our first bundle here with nothing in it. Flamigo, King Gambit. Oh, okay, we got a Cloth. Wow. All right, it still counts. It's a hit. Up to 10 hits right now. Left side really needs to catch up here. Come on now. Letters of Encouragement, Dynamo. Ooh, we got a Poppy full art. Don't think that's the special illustration. I believe that is just the regular full art. Very nice. That'll do, that'll do. Buzeal, Togepi, another Toxtricity. Mawile, Glimmet, and a Houndoom EX. Very nice. Lechonk. Ooh, that Gloom is real. I feel like the last two Glooms that they've made have been really nice. Yungoos, Pidgey, and a Darkrai. If we could get the character rare Gloom, that one is super nice as well. We got a Houndour. Oh my god, are you serious? Well, here's the Houndour, and we got ourselves another full art Charizard. Are you kidding me right now? That is sick. Okay, this is awesome. If I were you guys, I think I would go out and pick up some booster bundles because this is definitely looking like it is more hits than a booster box right now. Rockruff, Bellibolt. And our last little 6-pack for the left side. All right, let's see if the luck can continue. We got a Magnemite, Rowlet, and a Thunderous. Armarouge. Ooh, we got a Palafin and a Miraidon. Very nice. Here, I mean, it's a little soon to have a Miraidon again and a Koraidon. We just had one at base set. And a Palafin. What is that already? 16 hits? That is crazy. And I was just about to say, we're not getting a lot of character rares, but I guess never mind. Actually, we've gotten about 4 of them now. Meltan, Barboach, Claydol. See if we can get a special illustration rare. Poltergeist. Got 2 packs left over here. Magnemite, and a Darkrai Hollow. And our last pack here, I'm going to guess a Psychic Energy. So we got this one. Looks like a steel. Yep. Alright, Caspikid, Togepi, Lunatone, Dartrix, Oinkologne, Trevenant reversed. Pretty cool looking card. Bonsley, and... ooh, ending it off on a Reverum full art. That is just an insane amount of hits here, guys. We just got 17 hits in one opening. Let me know what you guys think of this set so far. We got a gold Charizard over here, and we got 2 of the full art Charizards. We got a full art trainer and a couple character rares. And I will see you guys in the next one.